carnivores are animals that only eat meat their whole life, such as lions and tigers. Many animals in the world are carnivores. Strangely, there are some plants that are also carnivores because they eat meat. The Venus flytrap is a well-known carnivore. The Venus flytrap has a large trap to catch flies. The flies smell the trap and think that it's a food. When the fly lands on the area, the legs get stuck on the plant. The plant closes the trap and slowly eats the fly by melting it. Another carnivorous plant is the pitcher plant. The flower of the plant looks like a funny water bottle. It hangs on the end of the plant leaves. The pitcher plant also attracts insects by smell. The bottom of the pitcher contains a powerful liquid that melts insects for food. Ants and other small insects think that there's a lot of food inside the pitcher. The insects will try to see what is inside the pitcher. The size of the pitcher walls are very slippery, and the insects fall to the bottom of the pitcher. Did you know that not all paper is made from wood? Isn't all paper made from wood? No, as a matter of fact, paper made from wood is only one type of paper. There is paper that does not use wood. You're kidding. How else do they make paper? I thought we need big factories to make paper from wood. Not really. Long ago, people used different types of paper. The Egyptians used papyrus, made from other plants. The Chinese used paper that used old rags. Rags? Are you sure about that? Yes, rags were made from plants, so rag paper wasn't very different from paper made from wood. Do you think you can tell me more about it after class? I'd love to hear more about it. Sure, it's not a problem. I have to write a report about the food trend for next week's class. Oh, that's a really interesting topic. It describes the cycle of animals and plants. What do you mean? First, small animals eat plants, such as fruits and nuts. Then, larger animals, such as eels or snakes, catch smaller animals for food. Finally, when these larger animals die, the ground absorbs their bodies, and the plants use them for food. Wow, are you sure about that? Yes, that is the food chain. Some people call this process a life cycle. Could you tell me more about this food chain process? It sounds really interesting. I can't believe I didn't know about this until you told me. Sure, I could tell you more about it later. Meet me after lunch in the playground.